Looking to switch up the language in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile? No worries at all. I've got you covered. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps to do it right from your iPhone. Let's jump straight in. First things first, fire up Warzone Mobile on your iPhone. Then, tap on the gear icon located in the upper right corner of your screen. This will bring up the settings. Next up, give a tap on Language from the options. After that, a list of available languages will pop up. Now, simply tap on the language you fancy switching to and hit Yes to begin downloading that language pack. You'll then be whisked away to the Download Management section, where you can keep an eye on your language pack's progress. Once the download is complete, the game will prompt you to confirm the language change. Just tap Yes. Now exit the game and reopen it. Voila! You'll see the game in your chosen language. And that's a wrap. That's all there is to changing the language in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile from your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're hungry for more Warzone Mobile tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks a bunch for tuning in.